Hi everybody! Today we're going to draw a seahorse. This is going to be pretty fun and a new idea. Okay, let's start with kind of a hook and a big hump to make his head. Bring it down, almost like a question mark. Then bring it down and we're going to start to make the tail. There we go. A little bit more to make the very end of it. Then curve it around and follow it all the way back, just like that. And then once we start the tail again, we'll start to make it a little bit wider to make the body. Whoa, that's starting to look like a seahorse. Okay, I brought it up to where the mouth's gonna begin. Now there's the nose. That's the top of the mouth. And there's the bottom of the mouth. Whoa! I'll put a little line right where the mouth meets to give it that smile look. Because he's a friendly seahorse. Now we'll make the fins, which would be the hands of the seahorse. Now I'll put a couple lines on it to give it some body there, to make it look like it moves. Now here's the tummy, the front of the seahorse. Gonna stick in a half circle from the top of his body to the bottom there, and a couple lines just to give it some texture. Now the fins on the back of his tail, kind of like mountains on the back with a little more pointiness to them. There we go, a couple lines on it just for texture. Whew, this is looking pretty good. I'm having fun. Now I'm going to put some hair on him, which would be like another fin. Whoops, almost out of paper, but not quite. I'll just curve it around right before it leaves the paper. There we go, a couple lines just for texture. Now what are we missing? The eye. A big oval right in front by his nose. There we go, looks like he has a cheek there with that little hump under his eye. Now I'll draw another circle in the eye, and we're going to color that circle in with the marker. Wow, that's great! It looks like he's looking at something. Now another little hump right above the eye. Gives him an eyebrow. A little more facial features. Now we'll put some lines on his tail, just to give it a more detailed look. Space them out about the same. Yeah, that looks really good. And the last thing I'm going to add is a couple of bubbles, just to give it that underwater look. A couple small ones and a few big ones right behind them. That looks great, guys. Hope you had fun as much as I did. See you next time, everybody. Bye.